Katie, and in today's video I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to take a thrifted skirt, one that I bought for probably 30 cents in a bag sale, and transform it into a skirt that is based off one that I found on Madewell that originally started at $99.98. This skirt was originally $98 and is currently on sale for $70. I'll link it down in the description below if you want to check it out. I thought this would be a perfect skirt to DIY because it's really easy, and denim skirts are literally in every single thrift store ever, so it's something you can totally find and upcycle into your own. So let's get started. Here is my before skirt, which is actually pretty cute and fits really well. It's just a little bit long for this project. So I'm going to start out by using my Cricut iron-on heat transfer vinyl in a glitter material. And I actually had a little star punch that I tried first. This one's made by Fiskars, but this material is way too thick, so I'm actually going to have to cut it out using my Silhouette Cameo. So I'm going to draw out the pattern for how many stars that I think I want, and then I'm going to select heat transfer glitter, and then I'm going to cut it out. I do not have to mirror this because these are just little stars, and my material actually gets caught and runs away on me, so you can see me resetting it. If you have any problems, don't worry, it happens to us all. And then I'm going to peel off all my little stars and make sure to put them down the correct way so that the transfer part sticks to your skirt. And I'm just going to arrange them all around till I find a pattern I like. And then I always turn my iron on way too hot. I put it on the highest setting that it'll go on, and I'm going to just iron across all of the little stars. For the sides of the skirt, I'm going to put a couple stars on the seam to make it look more intentional, like it was part of the pattern, versus this was me putting these stars on. This skirt was a little too long for this project, so I'm just going to cut a little bit of the length off. If you want to take some tweezers and pull down the edging to give it fraying, you totally can, that's optional, or when you go to wash it, it'll start to fray. That is all for the tutorial. Again, the skirt is something that is super easy to make, and you can totally change it up. If you don't want stars, you can make hearts, you can make whatever you want. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up because it's free, and who doesn't love free things? And it lets me know that you guys are there. And if you are not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button down below so that you will be notified, sort of, kind of, maybe, when I make new videos, and you'll get to see lots and lots of DIY projects. I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I will see you next time. Bye!